Okay, so hello there, I'm Darshan Jadhav, and today I'm going to show you my latest data analysis project in Microsoft Excel. So without wasting time, let's start the project. So let's see the project introduction first. So this project is about creating a yearly sales dashboard for a coffee shop. The dashboard helps us to understand how the shop perform and how the shop perform in the sales over a year. In this project, we study the coffee shop's sales growth, top performing items, then the category and their sales trend. So the main goal is to turn the raw data into the clear insights that helps in better decision making. Okay, it helps to make better decisions. Now, before showing you the dashboard, let's understand the what is exactly project agenda. Means why we are making this project. What is the purpose behind making this project? So the main agendas are as follows. First of all, overall performance. We have to find out what was the total annual revenue, the total cups sold in 2025. How has the monthly sales trend been? Then which month brought the highest and the lowest sales? Then we have to find for which branch earned the highest total revenue this year. Means in the year 2025, which branch earned the highest and the lowest revenue? Then which region contributed most to the total sales? Then what are the top branches, or are there any branches with decline sales trend that needs our attention? So we have to find for that. Then we have to look for which product brought the most revenue. Then what are the top 5 best selling items by the revenue and by quantity sold. And then we have to look for which project category performed best. And there are more agendas, but here in this slide I only added 3 agendas. Let me show you more agendas or more. So this is how our key insight looks like, but before that let me show you the main agenda. uh, okay, so these are the goals that we have to achieve from the raw data. So we completed 3 agendas. Now the fourth one is profitability and discount. So we have to look for which category or product gives us the highest profit margin. Then we have to look for how much profit did we make in the total and what was the average profit per sale. Then we have to see which our discounts actually increase our sales or just reduce profits. Then which branch gives us the best profit to revenue ratio. Profit to revenue ratio means how much profit we are making from the total revenue. So we have to find out which branch is making most of the profit from the total revenue. Then the customer and payment insights, in which we have to look for which payment mode used the most. In the data, um, I have seen 3 payment modes, which are cash payment, card payment and UPI payment. So from that we have to look for which payment mode used the most. Then do customer from the specific region prefer the specific payment method. Then we have to look for how many unique customers we served this year. Then which customer made the most frequent purchases. And then in the sixth section we have to look for season and offer analysis. We have to do seasonal and offer analysis, in which we have to look for how did our festive offers and buy one get one free offers impacted the sales. Then which month or festival brought the spikes in the sales volume, and our weekends like Saturday Sunday perform better than weekdays. So these are the goals which we have to achieve. And then the KPI matrix which I am going to use. It contains total annual revenue, total profit, average discount, top 5 product by revenue, top 3 branches, then monthly sales trend, payment mode, category wise revenue and profit margin by branches. So these are all the goals, or you can say the main agenda that we have to achieve from the raw data. Now this is how our process data looks like. This is the process data, not the raw data. I'm going to attach a file of raw data in my GitHub account, so you can look for the raw data. Now the raw data was containing null values, then duplicate values, empty rows, empty columns, empty cells and whatever. So I process all those things, I filter all those things, and At the end, this is how our main data, or you can say the useful data, looks like, and it contains columns such as product name, it contains columns such as date, month, day, region, branch column, category, product name column, unit sold column, cost price means the actual price of the item or product, then the unit price, then the discount, and then the total revenue, profit, payment mode, discount applied, then the customer ID, and then the remark. So these are the columns which are filtered, or you can say which are gathered, or you can say which are fetched from the raw data. This is the useful data, and we have to work on this data only. If you want, then you can check for the raw data. I'm going to attach a file in my GitHub account, so you can look for that raw data there. So this is all about the agenda and then the data. Now let's go to our PPT. So we discussed about agenda. Now dataset overview. I have shown you the dataset. Now the final dashboard. Now let's jump on to our final dashboard. So let's see dashboard. Okay, so this is how our dashboard looks like. Now it contains the logo, then the category, category slicer, region slicer, month slicer, and then the business KPIs, which I have told you I'm going to use. So this is how the main dashboard looks like. Now it contains total annual revenue, then the total profit, total product sold in 2025, then the average profit margin per item, this 60%, and average profit per item, which is 84 rupees, then the average discount per item, which is 8.86% discount. Okay, then the performance section. So I have created these buttons, so whenever you click on this button, you will jump on to the next slide. So in performance dashboard, we will see we are seeing the total annual revenue, total cups sold, then the month wise sales trend. So in which month what was the sales. Now this dashboard is what you can say interactive, means whatever you click you will get the result. Based on your clicks you will get the result. So if I select the downtown region, I will get the data. If I select midtown region, then I will get different data, then category wise product. Okay, so you can check all these things in my GitHub account. So this is the performance section. Now let's jump onto the branch and region section, where you can see, just a minute, okay, where you can see branch wide sales and then the region wide sales. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Then the product and the category sales. Now here you can see total revenue by product category, means how much revenue a product category earn, and then the top 5 items by revenue and the units sold, and then the bottom 5 items by revenue and units sold. Then the next in the next dashboard, which is the profitability dashboard, we are seeing total annual profit and then the total profit per sale, means how much profit we made per sale. So this is the amount. Then the branch and their profit ratio. Now branch and their profit ratio, what it means, which branch earn how much profit from the total revenue. That is what we are seeing here. Now here we are seeing category wise profit margin, which category earn what, how much amount of profit, then the top 5 items by profit, and then the bottom 5 items by the profit, by profit. Now in customer and payment section, we are seeing average order per customer, which is 4, means a customer is ordering on an average 4 items. So this is what it actually means. Then the average spending per customer, which is 520 rupees. Then most used payment mode. Now here there are, as I told you before, there are 3 payment modes which are mostly used, which is UPI, card and cash. Then the region wise payment mode, okay, and then at last the most important thing, which is the key insights. Now we are going to understand each and every key insights. So let's start. In 2025, Brew Heaven Coffee Shop earned a total annual revenue of 3.3 lakh rupees and sold about 2186 items. Then in January and June had the highest revenue, and while April and November had the lowest revenue. Okay, so these are the revenues. You can look for this revenue. The branch 2 earned the highest revenue, which is 50,000 rupees, followed by branch 3, which is 48,000 rupees, and branch 6, which is 47,000 rupees. And branch 1 and branch 5 earned the least revenue. Okay, then the uptown and the midtown region ranked first and second in total revenue, and the downtown region earned the lowest revenue. Then the top 3 products were cupcake, smoothie, and donut, with the products sold, items sold, and the revenue. And then the bottom 3 products were herbal tea, sandwich, and mocha. Then the best category was dessert with over 68,000 rupees revenue, followed by tea with 63,000 rupees revenue, and then the cold beverage with 61,000 rupees revenue. And the lowest category, or the category based on the revenue, lowest category was coffee with 53,000 rupees revenue, total revenue. Okay, then the total annual profit was around 1.8 lakh rupees, 1.8 lakh rupees, with the average profit per sale of rupees 315 rupees. Okay, then the tea category gave the highest profit, followed by dessert category and the snacks category. The lowest profit, the snacks gave the lowest profit. Then branch 4, branch 6 and branch 7 had the best profit to the revenue ratio, followed by branch 1 and 2 and 5 with 14% profit to revenue ratio. Now, when discounts were given, now this is one of the important key insight from the whole data. When discounts were given, about 1,500 units sold, or you can say items sold, earning around 2.8 lakh rupees revenue and 1.2 lakh rupees profit. Okay, and without discount, only 642 items sold, making 94,000 rupees revenue and 60,000 rupees profit. That means sales revenue and profit doubles with the discount, which is one of the most important key insight from the data. Then the next insight is customer preferred to pay by cash, followed by UPI and then card payment with the percentage. Then the top 5 customers were this customer 1389 with 4.2. Now these top 5 customers are based on total purchases. Okay, then the midweek days like Tuesday and Wednesday had more sales than the weekends like Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, Tuesday and Friday together generated the revenue of 1.17 lakh rupees. So these are all about the key insights that I found out from the raw data. So you can check it out, and then let's move on to the main dashboard. So this is how our dashboard looks like. Just a quick look. Okay, now let's move on to our PPT. Okay, so now the next step or future plan. Now, in order to grow the business, we have to keep some things in our mind. We have to keep in order to grow the business, we have to make some decisions based on the insights. So here are some of the decisions that I figured out. So first of all, in order to grow the business, we have to increase the discount and offer. Means since the discount double the sales and profit, as we saw before, we have to plan more offers like buy one and get one free, and then festive deals like limited offer, festive deals, and use limited time discounts to attract more customers regularly. Then focus on low performing months, like revenue was lowest in April and November. Launch special campaigns or events in these months and introduce new menu item or combos to boost the sales during the slow period. And the third thing is improve performance of the low revenue branches. So branch 1 and branch 5 needs attention, and provide local promotions, better staff and advertising to increase their sales and the revenue. Then the fourth thing is expand best selling categories. Now this is one of the important things which we have to look for, because desert and tea perform the best, and in order to generate more revenue we have to add new desert varieties or premium tea options to attract more customers. Then boost the low performing categories. Coffee and snacks had the lowest profit, so we have to review the prices, ingredients which we use, and then the presentation. Then try combo offers like coffee with donut, then snacks with beverages, etc. things, in order to generate or in order to grow these products, because coffee and snacks, they are making less revenue because of less sales. So in order to grow their sales we have to combine them with highest selling products or highest selling items like donuts. Okay. Then the next thing is reward top customers. Give loyalty points, coupons or free add-ons to top 5 customers to maintain loyalty. Start a loyalty program for regular buyers. Then encourage digital payment, since many users cash. Promote UPI and card payment with a small cashback or discount to speed up the billing. Then the next thing is promote midweek offers. Tuesday and Wednesday already perform well, which is the thing which we saw before. Use midweek special offers to attract more customers. And the last thing, or the last thing which we have to keep in mind is that optimize branch profit revenue. Study what makes branch 4, branch 6 and branch 7 more profitable, and apply those methods in other branches. Okay, so these are the things which we have to keep in mind in order to grow our business, in order to make more revenue. Okay, so that was all about my presentation. So it took me a long time to complete this project, and I know my English is not that much good, but I made all of my efforts. I gave 100%. So if you like this project, if you have something to tell me, then please comment down. And if you really like this project, then please give a thumbs up. Okay, so that was all about my project, and thank you for giving your time, and have a great day. Thank you.